Welcome. If you want to change log method in your Realme 6S, let's go for the settings. Then scroll down and tap on the fingerprint face and the password. Click on the lock screen password and input your currently logged method. In my case it was the password. Tap on the modify, enter the old password once again, and right now we can set other password or tap on the other encryption methods and, for example, pick the pattern. So draw your pattern 2 times, and right now we can check how it works. So let's lock, unlock, and yes, here we got the new log method. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.